AI influencers are no longer a thing of the future. They're here now. And in this video, I'll show you how you can build one yourself using Vidu AI, a powerful AI video generator that turns text or images into consistent, high-quality character videos. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're a content creator, marketer, or just curious about how AI is reshaping video production, this is the tutorial you've been waiting for. I'll walk you step by step through how to create consistent character videos, even entire AI influencers, using Vidu AI. Let's dive right in. Before we dive into the platform, let's understand why consistency matters. When we talk about consistent character videos, we're referring to videos where the same character, same appearance, style, and personality appears across different pieces of content. This is essential for brand recognition, storytelling, and creating a digital persona. Think of an AI character as your brand ambassador, but one that never needs makeup, lighting setups, or a coffee break. Maintaining this consistency manually is hard, especially if you're using different tools for each scene. That's where Vidu AI comes in. It automates this entire process while giving you creative control. Vidu AI is an AI-powered video creation platform that uses deep learning models to turn either text prompts or image inputs into dynamic videos. What sets it apart? The ability to create and maintain a consistent character across multiple videos. It offers both a text-to-video generator and an image-to-video generator, which means you can either describe what you want or upload a character image to animate. It's beginner-friendly, but powerful enough for advanced users. So whether you're creating explainer videos, storytelling content, marketing clips, or even a virtual YouTuber, Vidu AI can be your go-to. Let's begin with the text-to-video generator. This tool allows you to input detailed prompts to generate scenes with your character, from headshot monologues to full-body animations. The key here is to describe your character and scene clearly. The AI interprets your text, animates the character, and brings your concept to life. Let's try a prompt. A calm, middle-aged man in a blue suit, standing in a cozy library, delivering a motivational speech, cinematic lighting. You can see the lighting, mood, and character all match the prompt. And more importantly, we can recreate this exact look again in future videos. To get consistent results, you need a consistent prompt structure. Here's a formula I use. Character plus setting plus action plus visual style. Young woman with braided hair standing in a futuristic lab, giving a product demo, 4K resolution, cinematic tone. You also want to tweak video settings. Frame rate, choose 24 FPS or 30 FPS for smoother animations. Video length, keep it under 15 seconds for faster rendering during testing. Aspect ratio, use 9:16 for TikTok, 16:9 for YouTube. Once you find the perfect combo of prompt and settings, save it. You'll reuse this again and again for consistency. Once you've finalized your prompt and settings, click Generate. It may take a few minutes depending on the cue. Here's the final result. Smooth animation, well-lit character, and most importantly, it looks exactly like what we described. Let's do a quick checklist. Is the character's appearance correct? Is the environment accurate? Does the style match the tone you want? If something feels off, go back and fine-tune your prompt. Small word changes can drastically improve the result. Here's where the magic happens. Once you've created a consistent character, you can use them across multiple scenarios, product reviews, skits, vlogs, without redesigning anything. This is how AI influencers are built. Repeatable identity, flexible content. You can even create a content calendar where your AI character posts 3 times a week, with zero need for reshoots. Prefer visuals over words? You can upload a character image and animate it using Vidu's image-to-video generator. This is especially helpful if you've already designed your character in Midjourney or any art tool. Just upload the image, add a short action prompt, and watch it move. This adds another layer of control and helps if you want detailed visuals that the AI might struggle to generate purely from text. As your content grows, consistency becomes even more important. That's why referencing your own past videos helps. You can extract frames from earlier videos or reuse your best performing prompts. This builds recognition, trust, and a sense of personality around your AI character. Think of it like building a franchise. Your AI character becomes a familiar face across all your content. An AI character needs a voice, and it better be consistent. You can use AI voice tools like 11 Labs to generate natural, human-like speech in your character's tone. Choose your voice wisely. Match tone to content type. Use emotion settings for expressive delivery. Keep the same voice across all episodes. Some tools even let you clone your own voice or assign accents and dialects. Until next time, keep imagining, keep building, and let AI do the rest. We've covered a lot, from prompt building to generating consistent AI influencers. With Vidu AI, you're not just creating content, you're building a digital personality. Liked what you saw? Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your AI character ideas. I'd love to see what you create.